Hello everyone. In this video I am going to describe a bit about a model done by Revit 2024. You can see that this is the model I am going to describe. This is a single story house with 4 bedrooms, and you can see that 6 roofs, and this is just a pergola to take sunlight into the house. Yes, it will provide ventilation to the house. And you can see that this color matching, brilliant white color with dark color windows. Okay, I will describe. This is the plan view of this house. You can see that this is the open veranda with car park, and you can see that this is the main entrance. The dining area is covered by few art wall by using few art columns. This is the puja area. This is the bedroom 1, 2, 3, and I'm supposing this one as the master bedroom, because the bathroom is located near the master bedroom. And you can see that kitchen and dining area is very near. You can serve from the kitchen to this living area. There are 2 doors to exit from the house. This is from kitchen. Generally we use this one to dispose waste material and other things, and we can go to outside by using these 2 doors. And this is the puja area. On the puja area, this is a pergola. It will provide air, not air, it's a covered one, so it will provide sunlight into the house, and it will create a nice place in front of all the rooms and near to the living area. This is the water tank room. You can see that those water tanks are on the bathroom slab. There's a little bit step there. The roof comes into that room. I will fix it. And these six roofs, and all are with red color asbestos sheets. And if you are willing to know how to create a asbestos sheet roof, there's a video in my YouTube channel. You can see it, you can watch it and learn it. And if you need to learn how to design a house like this by using Revit, put me a comment, and I will teach you if you really need to learn this type of models. Thank you.